Hello, in this video we will guide you how you can install Grammarly app for Microsoft Word and then start using it for correction of grammar errors in Microsoft Word and Outlook. So without further ado, let's get started. To download that app, you need to first write on the Google free download Grammarly for MS Word, right? As you type in that, you will get these links for downloading Grammarly app. So this one is from Grammarly official app. So let's open it and download the app firstly. So as you open the tab, you can see this login sign. Alright, so firstly you need to log into that. I have already created a login, so I am just logging it with my details. So as soon as you log in, you can now see your download is automatically started. So this one is now downloaded. Let's install it. To install it, click on this app, run this app, and the installation dialog box will open. So get started, install it for Word as well as for Outlook, and then click on the install button. It's very simple and effective installation process, so it just takes hardly 1 minute to install. Alright, so our app is installed. Now let's finish it. Now let's see how to use it. So to use it, you need to open your Microsoft Word document. So now after installing the Grammarly app, you will see a new tab will appear at the end. Like here it says Grammarly. You need to go to their app. If it shows you to log in, you can log in with the details we put there at the website. So once you log into that, it will show these grammar corrections for you to do for your document. So let me log into that and then we will proceed with the checking. So here this is asking for credentials. Let me sign into that. And I would like to mention here that if you haven't created a login with your email ID before, you need to sign up for Grammarly before you can log into that. I have already signed up for the Grammarly, so I am just putting in my details and I am good to go. So now I am logged into Grammarly app for Microsoft Word. So now let's start using it. To start using it, you need to click on this Open Grammarly. As you click on this Open Grammarly tab, it will show the suggestions on the right side. As you can see here, Grammarly is initializing its session and it's checking for the grammar errors in this document. So I have already used Grammarly for correcting these mistakes, so it's saying all the mistakes are already rectified. So to show you how it works, let's supposedly misspell the word water here. So now it's again checking and you can see it shows that your spellings are wrong and you need to click on this error, and if it's the word water, let's click on this water button and you can see this one is replaced with the correct spellings and now that error is gone. And likewise, if you have done some errors or missed some full stops etc in the document, it will show in the Grammarly error. As you can see, it's saying that your style has one error. So now let's correct it. Now there's an important tip to notice here. Sometimes there are names of the company, or there are some words that are jargons or specific to some specific field. So Grammarly will show that errors as well. So you need to keep a check on those words that you don't correct or ignore them, as Grammarly sometimes shows the suggestions of those jargons that are not included in the English dictionary. So that's all for Grammarly, and it's very easy and effective to use. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask in the comments and we would be glad to answer those. Thank you very much.